Good morning, I'm Faye Thompson. This morning we're going to do a crackling bread. We have a video of cornbread. We're going to make a recipe for cornbread that my family likes so much. There's a lot of different recipes for cornbread, but this is one they like. I've preheated the oven to 415 degrees and I have put 3 tablespoons of shortening in my skillet that we're going to cook the cornbread in. Now we don't use that skillet for anything except cornbread. In fact, it belonged to my grandmother and I've used it for years. Start off with, for the cornbread, we have 1.5 cups of Aunt Jemima self-rising cornmeal mix. It's a cornmeal mix. And I always say I get the blue label. Anyway, they make a lot of different kinds. It's just the kind I like. And I have cup of WR flour, self-rising flour in here, and then I have 1/2 teaspoon of soda and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So now we're going to use 2 eggs. This recipe is very easy to fix. This morning we're going to make crackling bread. Now I went to a lot of markets and they do not have cracklins. They're not selling them, and one market told me they couldn't buy them anymore. We like crackling bread. So I purchased a little bag of fatback, and it's pork crackling strips. It has a wee bit of red pepper. The rind on this is tough, and I pressured them. I cooked them for about an hour to soften that rind up, and so that's what we're going to use to make this crackling bread. There's 2 cups of cracklins, about 1 3/4 cup of buttermilk. When I added the cracklins, that made this recipe get larger. We usually do that in a 10-inch pan, and we're going to do this in a 12-inch. We're going to add a little cornmeal to this, kind of thicken it up. We've got an oven preheated to 415 degrees. This 12-inch pan is heavy. It'll cook for about 20 minutes. We're going to take what's left over and fry it. We put a couple of tablespoons of shortening in here. I like fried cornbread. A lot of times, if I'm in a hurry, I'll just come in and make me up a little cornbread mix and fry it, and it's good. I think you'll like it. Okay, we're going to put about a spoonful. Now, we'll just let that cook for a while. We need to turn that down to medium. When it starts getting bubbly on the top, and you'll see the edges will start getting brown, and that's when you want to turn it over. You see how it's turning a little brown around the edges and it starts bubbling up on top? It won't be long until it'll be ready to turn over. It doesn't take very long to cook these, and they're very tasty. We'll put some paper towels here under this, and it'll take up some of that grease out of it. I think this one's ready to turn. See, that's really pretty. You can kind of do that way and look on the inside of them and see if they're done. These are done. So we're ready to take these up. I think our crackling bread is ready now. It looks like it's browned real good. We have finished our crackling bread, and here's how it looks. And we're going to taste of this to see how it tastes. I believe I'll just get a little corner right here to see how that's going to taste. Since we're using these new cracklins, I'm anxious to see how it turned out. That's really good. Maybe we found a way now that we can make crackling bread even though they quit making cracklins. But I think this is good. I'm pleased with this. Well, I hope you try it, and I hope you enjoy it. And I hope we'll see you on another video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on another video.